going back to work on the RV, get rid of those stubborn black streaks, I'm going to show you the soap that I use that seems to work, but you also have to use just a little bit of elbow grease. So stay tuned, and I'm going to show you how it's done. I'm going to take you around and show you some befores. We all get them if we store them outside, and we all hate them. This cleaner I use works great. Sometimes I don't even have to scrub it, but sometimes I do. Sometimes you got to put a little effort into it, and I'm not scared of any of that. You can see the front of it really gets bad around those lights. A little bit of bug splatter, but that's all right, we'll get that too. These are the before video. I'll come back and show you when I'm done. So I use the same brand as I use on the rubber roof, which is a Kleen brand. Black streak remover. That is I used up there was a Kleen rubber roof cleaner. This stuff does work. It takes a little bit of elbow grease and a little bit of time and blood, sweat, and tears, as they call it. I'm not going to promote anything if it doesn't work, I promise you. If I promote it, I've already tried it out, and it's in my opinion, works the best. Look down in the video description, you'll see a direct link to this to Amazon. Order it through that. That helps me, but most of all, it's going to help you. So let's not waste any more time and get to work cleaning this RV, because it sure is getting hot. Always practice safety first when you're climbing up on top of anything. First thing I like to do is spray a little bit on here. Let it be soaking in. Try to break the grime up a little bit. Spray the whole area. Spray the rag really good. And then get to wiping. More stubborn ones, you might have to do it 2 or 3 times. And if you got a pad you can put on your drill or something like that, a buffer, that works really good. The only reason I'm not doing that is because mine tore up and I forgot to get another one. Sometimes, I mean, if you stay on top of it and keep it washed regularly, you can do this, spray it on there, let it set a minute, and use your brush and soapy water, and it'll wash it right off. But this ain't the case, because I neglected to wash it for the last 3 months. It's bringing it off back to like brand new. But if you ever have to do this, remember, Kleen black streak remover, and it doesn't hurt any surface, metal or plastic. You can use it on either one. Some areas are more stubborn, I guess. If the sun's baked them on there a little bit longer, like that other side over there is going to be a real pain. See what I did not paying attention? Turn the light around backwards. You big dummy. Already sweating, y'all. It's hot. But I gotta get it done if I want it to be clean for our next camping trip coming up this upcoming week. Because we'll be heading over to Camp Creek State Park next to Princeton, West Virginia. And I will definitely be making a video on that. So now we're gonna move on to the very front where these real bad ones are. So if you've ever tried to get these daggone black streaks off, you'll know how much of a headache it really is. And if you have something that works better, feel free to leave it in the comments. Kleen does not sponsor me in any kind of way. They never gave me the product. They've never paid me a dime. I just promote what works, because I've used it. This is the 3rd year, and I know it works, and I'm going to keep using it. Kleen, if you're watching this, I hope to get a bunch of buyers for you out of this. If you'd like to sponsor this video or any other of my videos, please feel free. Send me an email, leave me a comment, something, because I'm going to keep using it, and I know it works. See that? Brought it right off. Been 3 months since I touched it. And this one may have come off with just spraying and washing, but as you can see, if you know what it looked like to start with, I showed you on the other side. His side was just the same, and it came right off. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash this and move on to the real bad side now. You know, before you start any project, even as simple as this may seem, you should still pray to keep you safe, because you could easily fall off the ladder. Anything could happen, so make sure you say your prayers before you start any project or anything else. This is gonna be a little bit more stubborn than the other side. This is when that buffing pad would be superb, like baked on grease in the oven. It'll bring it off. But it's gonna take a few minutes. It'd be nice if they made something that just touched it. As soon as you touched it, it'd come off. But they don't make that stuff. They don't make that miracle cleaner. But this is working. It's also working me. But, you know, can't always be easy. Well, just finished it. Overall, doing everything, it took about an hour. But we got it done. I'm gonna walk around and show you it's dried pretty much now, so I'll walk around and show you the after. You've seen the before, show you that now. And then I'm getting ready to show you the after, the same direction, the same spots, the same everything. So we'll start back here on the passenger side again at the back. Bright white, but here's the end. I pointed out around those lights on the right side how nasty they were. Brought all that off. This end was easy. Here's the driver's side. Still a little bit left on there, coming down the side of that. A couple spots here and there, but I know what you're thinking.
You said it was easy. You said you bang it all off with these.
Yep, I did say that, but I also said I had to put in some elbow grease, and I run out of the grease. But compared to what it was to what it is now, I think it's big improvement. And I could have gotten it all off. I just run out of steam. So I hope you got a little something out of this video. It's worked for me now. Like I said, this is the 3rd year, and I will continue to use it every year unless I find something that works better. Once again, hop down in the video description. I'll leave a link to the Amazon where I bought it. And you click on that link and it helps me out a little bit, but more importantly, it's gonna help you out when you go to clean those black streaks off of your RV. We love you. God loves you. Thanks for watching.